So this is how you can edit your game save on Dying Light 1. So what you do is join my Discord server so you can get the save editor. So when you join my Discord server, just go on the side where it says tools. And when you go in tools, it should be on the top, the first one. But if it's not, then just basically go where the tags are, basically right here, and click on tool all cheats. So tool all cheats, either way. And then when you go there, then you should be able to get to it. So once you go here, now you can actually get the game save editor. So now when you get the game save editor, just basically go to the folder that you saved it at, pretty much. And once you do that, just extract it. And the password is 123. So once we extracted it, this is pretty much the save editor that we got. So now we have it extracted. We gotta get our game save. So in order to get our game save, we have to open our Steam. And once we open our Steam, just right click on your game and go on manage and go to browser local files. And once we're on here, go to Steam on the top. And once we're on here, go to user data. Once we're on user data, just go to your Steam ID basically. And once we're on your ID, just go to the last 3 digits of the formula called 140. So make sure it has 140 at the end of it. So once you go here, just keep clicking until you get to save. And once we go on save, this is where the game save is. So this is where Dying Light 1 game save is now. Now once we get to it, just drag and drop it into that folder location that you made. And once you got the game save, go back to your save editor and just click on generate JSON. So once we generate the JSON file, all we have to do is just right click it, and you can edit in Notepad or you can edit in Notepad++, which is better. So just edit in Notepad or whatever. And once you go in Notepad, this is basically your game save that you can edit to however you want it. So you can edit the time of day, you can edit your buffs, you can edit your skills, your weapons, your arm, like you can pretty much edit everything. So this is pretty much all you can do. You can also edit the color, which means like the rarity of the item. So anyways, edit however you want it. Once you edit the game save, just exit, save it. Once you save it, click where it says save changes. Click on that. And once you click save changes, now you have your game save modded. But before we move it to the folder location of where our game saves are, what we have to do is rename it and remove the part that says modified and the underscore. And once we do that, now we move our game save to the folder location of where our game saves are basically. So once we do that, just launch your game and have a good time. And make sure your Steam Cloud is turned off because it will override it. So make sure it's on off. But anyways, that's pretty much all you have to do. And thank you for watching. See ya. Like, comment, subscribe. Anything you want. Got any questions? Let me know.